time. King's back. Woo! Yeah. Point line for the 215.
Me time. It's me time.
For the love of the city. All my niggas on the block. 12 o'clock when you willing. Fuck 12 in the cop. They wanna see me in the cage. I'd rather see me in the wife. I'm motivation on the gram. I'm going live on these bitches on stage. Goddamn. Who out the streets? Me. Who driving heat? Me. Who like the city? Or pull up that Billy truck right to the motherfucking seat? Me. Who driving shit through the water? Me. Who really dropping that fight? Me. Back on the water, they listen when I speak. Who got the key to the streets? Me. They was screaming free Meek, now Meek free, just tryna hold. Remember back when I was getting broke, pretty bitches I ain't even know. Told these niggas how to bust up on the jet for the grand bust the road. Remember that? I'ma be humble, but I need receipt cause he
Williams, 93, 3rd and 11. Nothing to work with there as he's pile driven into the ground by the rookie Cooper DeJean. The Eagle bench is going ballistic over that play by the rookie.
On the battle for first place, Barkley! Does he have another one? Yes, he does. Touchdown.
Burn that shit and set that shit on fire, nigga.
For the love of the city. All my niggas on the block. 12 o'clock when you willing. Fuck 12 in the cop. They wanna see me in the cage. I'd rather see me in the break. I'm motivation on the gram. I'm going live on these bitches on stage. Goddamn. Who out the streets? Me. Who driving heat? Me. Who like the city? Or pull up that Billy truck right to the motherfucking seat? Me. Who dropping shit through the water? Me. Who really dropping that fight? Me. Back on the water, they listen when I speak. Who got the key to the streets? Me. Who really poppin' shit? Came to your city and got it lit. All of these pretty hoes I done hit. You better pray that I got a bitch. I show no mercy on niggas' hoes. All I gotta do is just like a pig. If you a hop, I'ma buy your bitch. This for the track, this is not a hit. Woo! Nigga, I'm a icon living.
Hurts, sets, throws, looking for the home run ball. End zone! Devontae Smith! Touchdown! Over the shoulder! Spectacular!
Who they say dropping that work? Who hit them bad bitches first? Who tried to 50 a verse? Who rap a stick at you murk? Cop trying to put me on the north side of Philly cause I'm still poppin' willies like what? New jury, new money on the way and I just ordered that Rolls Royce truck, you dig? For the love of the city. All my niggas on the block.
Heavy pass early on. Hurts looking deep. He's got Dallas Goedert. Goedert's inside the 15.
I'm motivation on the gram. I'm going live on these bitches on stage. Goddamn. Who's on the streets? Me. Who driving heat? Me. Who like the city? Or pull up that Billy truck right to the motherfucking seat? Me. Who dropping shit through the water? Me. Who really dropping that fight? Me. Back on the water, they listen when I speak. Who got the key to the
Game. Here's Barkley. Saquon Barkley. Saquon Barkley's the guy. He's going to take it. Touchdown from 65.
You play big, must be ready to die, nigga, for effing with I.